Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making something that is just delicious, and I want to try it out. It's a vegetarian Mediterranean pasta with feta and artichokes. So I already have my spaghetti boiling over there, and I wanted to start with pouring a little bit of oil in an already heated up pan. And then take some green pepper, scallion, move those around a bit. Turn that down just a notch. You only want to really heat it on high until your pan gets nice and hot, and then you pour your oil in, and then once you put your veggies in the pan, you know, turn it down so you don't get splattered and stuff like that, and then your veggies start to burn. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Saturday so far. I do have some very, very good videos that are going to be coming at you later on today, tomorrow, Monday. I've got so much to cover. I hope you guys are ready. Now this is a very simple recipe, okay? It's not going to take much to cook, and it's not going to cost a lot either. All of the things that are in the recipe, I bought at Aldi's, so you know you're going to save money. I swear, living this vegetarian lifestyle, somewhat, because you know me, I can't give up chicken to save my life. But I only eat chicken maybe twice a month. So, alright. Now I'm going to add in some marinated artichokes. Got these at Aldi's. Love these. Love them. They are a staple in my house. I put them in salads and everything. Can't get enough. Now this is only for me and Sean because my son does this meal planning thing because, well, you know, bodybuilder, personal trainer, all that good stuff. Okay, then you're going to take some of the Greek olives. Just put a few of these in. Now you don't want to do too many of these because these are bitter. But wow, are they delicious. Okay. Do some parsley. I don't have any fresh parsley, so I'm just going to sprinkle in some dried parsley. Some minced garlic, some red pepper flakes. Can't eat too many of these though because, oh, my stomach can't take them. But Sean loves them, so. Okay, and then you just saute this for just a few minutes, say 2 to 3 minutes. And then, of course, you know, you want to put in just a little bit, a tiny bit of salt. Just a little bit. Love pink Himalayan. Pepper. And just a tad of some lemon juice. All right. I wish you guys could smell this. It is so amazing. Okay, now, what you want to do is take about, say around about a half a cup of your spaghetti water, okay? Now what this will do, because of the starch and everything else, this is going to make like a thickening almost for this sauce that you just made with all the spices, the lemon juice, the olive oil, or in my case, I use grapeseed oil, okay? And just let that just simmer just a little bit longer. Okay, now that I've drained my pasta, let's just move that over for a minute. Put some pasta in a bowl. Take some of this yummy goodness out. Add a little bit of feta. Who doesn't love feta? And that is all. Bon appetit, my friends. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, honeys.